once again, myself, Pramod Karanam, I represent company as Karanam Tax Consultants. So we have started company in 2015. We have started company in 2015 but registered in 2025. The professional firm of offering assurance and advisory services. If you have any financial services or anything, if you face any startups also, we can go into the 24% ethics and taking principal days, delivering effective and customer financial solutions according to the company. And your client-centric approach means only for not only approaching the business, we are approaching for about your any trusted services or any confidential services like that also then you assurance services of the legal services and your business is unique to okay all the going to all the different markets it go to single structure of accounts. If you do any engineer, any kind of means therapist or any ethical anything, it comes to standing of accounts only. The financial structure only will get that what is the turnover monthly or daily basis, how we going to work out for future. And our partnership of we want to our core values we going to collaborate some 3 years and also we going to collaborate with any industries like working as a consultant or full-time or part-time like that also we can do it. And by integrate transfer the process, we do transfer the 100% transfer the process on your accounts. It's confidential and transferred RBD. And the passion is the commitment to paying success and dedicated education and deliver beyond expectations. What your expectation we can complete that project within the during the time and delivering the within during the time. And my assignments are already completed. Internal assignment started the artists and means internal started artists means Milky Mist. Milky Mist when they means like paneer like that some that one there we do minus 20 degrees go downs we do audits and we did Godrej factories some internal there are some forms like that one also we did and we did definitely audit definitely the furniture was fixed assets means a trader. And ABP and very like in the there also we did some projects like 3 to 4 months audits and we did income tax GST assessment and budget report and that documentation legal documentation support. If any further if we get any notices from departments or any other than from entry to reverse the reverse like that also we work out there. And we offer services of statutory audits. Statutory in the sense not only accounts, it will be HR consulting also, and statutory PF or CSI or GST, any kind of statutory consulting can give us services. And the internal audits and tax audit and the income tax regarding income tax in the new regime or last past regime. We can work both. And if you are not failing since 10 years, we can fail that in the year we can fail that since 10 years 85 resources. And certification services are largely assurance services and taxation services. In the taxation services, we do GST consulting and filings. So GST consulting means B2C is not going to come for GST. B2C is coming for only single figure. But B2B is coming for each and everyone. Everyone to be is important. Everyone transition is important. So there you will be get it any bill to bill or if you miss anything, we can reserve that and we do proper filings. And monthly and quarterly yearly. Any mode of which one you are already updating GST registration. It will be quarterly somebody is going to filing and monthly filing. And the annual also we do filings and also we do ITC means who were not giving the ITC input. You already sell that product, they not upload the GST. We follow up that one. Follow up and calculate that ITC value also. Because that is the main important of monthly revenue. IT is also part of that because IT is the input tax credit. Input tax credit that is going to 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs monthly. So if you get that return, you will be lesser than the liability of every month, GST liability. And income tax certificate filing, tax planning and complaints. I have to know that giving the solutions, services of startups or any, if you have any financial problems, anything else we do services. And corporate establishments also we do company secretaries in MOEMs, board of meeting directors, and any NPA work, ROC related works, total company secretary work also we do. In the assurance section of the advisory, assurance practice we do RT services, we have the team. That not means I have my office and the single, but I have the exploration teams. I have collaborated some CS, more than 10 CS I have collaborated. I have some team also. So they are working their own phase only. If any project is there, they come to work in the sites. And taxation advisory, DST advisory, and accounting system setup and system details supervision, financial analysis and transaction advisory. And I also part of that VR software. If you means if you go into any billing issues, daily billings, and if you not updating tally the 20,000 to 20,000 package now. The VR software only for 5 to 10,000 you will get it. There you will do all the billing cycles and what is the invoice entries or OJS entries, anything else you can be going to be in there. And the industry we serve data companies and data parts manufacturing, personal care industries, cooperative societies, and apartment owner association. If apartment means any bigger or smaller. This means in the means Shobha or Abhi or smaller any apartments that also and NGOs also and private companies and manufacturing companies and any services sectors, any kind of sector we do services. And by users, all of the in the Bangalore, each area they have five chartered accountants, 2 auditors in any area. But in my side, I can give transparent service. Very in your service, in your books, there is no going to any other side. If you have the means in your relation, there are 2 members of startups, entrepreneurs. It's not going to there to here. Very confidentially we give the services for each both of the books. And deep understanding compliance frameworks and strong commitment to change for electoral responsive to your services. If any further means again say intelligent direct tax companies like that. We ask teams to please connect any startups or any they don't have they have huge of turnover, close together turnover annually, but they don't know how to do that accounts work. They don't know how to do that income tax payments. Please connect with us. We can resolve that issues. And professional SMEs and business guys, if you need consultant insurance advisor, also we do the services. So first we can give the services. I am not going to approach directly business. I can give the first service. Then only I can give the I will ask the business. And that gives us auditors and company secretary, insurance agents, and the financial advisors part of the training. Means when they are working in some other company, he has some huge revenue in insurance sector. So in that scenario, they aren't going to expose in the huge of the market in the insurance service. In that scenario, outside to his income tax paying is the company accounts everything. And thank you. If any doubts, please connect with us. Thank you.
Any questions or something?